Hello everybody, welcome to Ep-5.
Hit me.
What the hell? Oh no! The dogs! I forgot about them. So that's your dog. Where's my dog? My dog didn't give a crap. Well, today, oh god, get your dog before my dog gets it.
Run! Oh.
Well, today we did do a lot of offline work. We finished up the house. We actually got more armor because we kept killing skeletons. We got lucky. Well, the swords we got creative because, you know, we were bad. But other than that,
We got all the horses in survival.
yeah, we got all that. My chest is full and
I'm not lying, guys.
my armor is about to break. I'm waiting for it to break so I can get my new armor.
Let's go for a pit ride.
Alright, I'm taking my horse. So guys, if you didn't know, we started doing like legendary horse, and so this is the color, this is the brown legendary, black legendary, and white legendary, and the white legendary is mine, and you'll see why. It's very fast.
Mine is
Yeah, we have a fast horse. Yee-hoo. I used to have this black one, but this black one is very slow. Look. Look.
Is it going super fast?
Could you just want to say how fast this, slow this horse is? Look, we're going to start here and race all the way around.
We should make a racing part.
Whoa, come on. Come over here.
Hold up, I need to sit my dog. I don't even want no dog. Can I kill it?
Your dog, do what you want.
Come here, doggy. I got a big surprise for you.
Now, let's do this race. Show you how fast this horse is. 3, 2, 1, go. See how slow this horse is, guys?
I already went 2 laps.
I'm doing 3 laps. I did my first lap.
I'm catching up to you.
And showed it. This horse is low. Second lap. Eh.
I think I caught up to you. Let's go for a horse ride.
I ain't using this horse. Can we redo that? Can we redo that race? Wait, let me use my horse.
Go!
Wait, what the? No!
I would have a car to drive and run your dog over.
Oh, wait.
Let's go.
Wait, where are you going? Oh.
My horse is faster.
Oh! Oh god, I thought I fell. Is this a ravine? Oh man.
I thought it was a ravine.
That'd be cool.
Live in a ravine. Ooh, the sandy place.
Oh heck yeah. Oh god!
My horse was this close to drowning.
I'm stuck.
Heck no, Ma.
What
I'm going
happened?
back to the house.
Why?
See a creeper house.
Ah!
How you?
Hey! Help me!
Bye, mommy.
You know what?
Here.
Could you break the grass?
I know.
Well, there you go. Now let's go back home. What the hell? No, I'm not going back down there. Fuck that.
Me too.
Yeah. Get out of my way!
You sound like Max to me.
Shut up. What did you say to me?
I hate you. I hate you. You can do nothing.
No, make me go get my fire so I can knock you out. Did a horse get out the pen? Oh, no.
Oh.
It was a cow. So, alright, well, you can...
Legendary horse is going here. Big horse.
I wanted to name him Porky, but...
Oh, yeah, Porky.
Okay, then. We have a legendary...
Make some friends.
Where are we gonna go, bro? We can go to the mine. I got a surprise for you. What the crap? Okay. Which sword should I take?
No, I'm taking.
Smite. No attack. I'm gonna take this one.
Ooh, Jaden. I mean,
Cody, you keep calling me by my freaking nickname. Why do you keep calling me by my nickname?
Cody.
Yeah.
Why do I have spawners?
See, come here, follow me. I have somewhere to take you. Do not bring your horse. You're close.
I was gonna bring him.
They need a break. So, no, where's
I'm
the
gonna
mine?
bring a different one.
No. Come on.
I'm always keeping one leash.
No, we're going to the mine.
I know. I always keep one spare leash with me.
I don't. Where's the mine? Here it is.
Oh my goodness.
Why are you running?
Cause
It's a cow spawner, you silly Billy.
I need a cow.
I think we need to make it bigger so it can spawn. I don't know why it won't spawn.
Let's go get some more.
I threw some cow spawners in the ocean somewhere.
Bro.
I'm gonna go find them.
I should have grabbed the boat.
Whoop-de-doop! Come on, where are you? Hello, Aggies. That's the worst dream ever.
What is it?
I don't think I like water anymore because of my dream. Every time I jumped up, the water would just push me back down, so I drowned and died. I went, whoops, which made me lose air.
So you was a water girl?